Hi guys, it's Amanda. Welcome back. It's been a hot minute since I've gotten anything in the mail. And I got a wax mail. Woohoo! Okay. Okay, so thank you for your purchase of the Valentine's Day promotional bundle. Oh, Sweet Sensations Wax Melts and More. Since each item is created especially for you, please allow your tarts to cure for 7 to 10 days. Happy Valentine's Day. Enjoy. So, I pulled it out like this. So there's going to be some crinkle. And let me tell you, Katie is super, super good at her bundles, like when she does these. At her packaging, except I can't get the ribbon off. Scissors time. Got it. Oh, and look. It's not all the way yet, like you can still see. That's as far as I can go. But it's getting there. Alright, so this little guy's got my name on it. Ooh, candy. Oh, yum. These are all Lindorf. I think my cat's sitting behind me waiting to, join. So then we got this little mailbox. And let's see what we have inside. So, sweet tarts. Call me. Roses are red, violets are blue. My Funny Valentine. I think one of these is supposed to have a prize in it. Lick My Lollipop. Oh, yes. I love Lollipop. My Booze Cake. Somebody, whoa. Somebody behind me is making noise. And Cherry Merlot. So that's it. I thought there was a prize in one of them. I'll have to figure out which one it is. Or if it was just somewhere else. Doomed knew. Last time she didn't have it marked either, and I didn't know which one. And all of a sudden people are posting prizes. I'm like, oh, was there a prize in every one? I didn't know, because it wasn't marked. But this one's got a thing in it. There's legitimately somebody making noises behind me, and I have a feeling it's that darn cat. Okay, so this one's got something in it. We are going to cheat. Cheating. I think it's my cat. I don't know what the heck she's doing. Sorry, you can't see this. I got it. I don't want to lose too much of my lollipop. Because I like my lollipop. Okay. Yeah, see, now she's leaving. I don't hear that noise. I hear her bell ting, ting, tinging down the hall, but whatever the heck that was behind me. She's probably rubbing her face on a box. Or the box. So let's see. What did I win? My fingers are all slimy. Ooh, my sweet treat is a $25 Olive Garden gift card. Sweetness. That's amazing. Olive Garden is my favorite restaurant, so that's perfect. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.